Yes, hello guys, we are back. First dive in Zanzibar. It was around about a month ago. I tried using the new setup, Ace Pro 2, with 2 lights, so the video footage should be a lot better. First dive, we jump in the water. You can see me taking my cap off the lens, and we see dolphins. Dolphins weren't exactly shy. You can hear all the clicking and communicating with each other, and they did end up going back around. Probably just seeing what the hell we are. But yeah, they weren't very shy. They're on video in the coral, just trying to play around with the lights, and I think I had the red light button pressed for this whole dive because I wasn't used to the equipment yet, so bear with me. Hopefully it looks okay. Yeah, we have a scorpion fish. Again, looks quite red, which makes me think I did have the red light on instead of the white neutral one. Yeah, we have 3 lionfish just chilling under a rock. Quite an invasive species, so they're regarded as the pests of the sea. Normally scuba divers hunt them, cook them and eat them. They're quite venomous, but you can't safely eat them. To me they just look beautiful. Now let's play a game. Spot the fish that I've just spotted. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. This again looks like a beautiful lionfish to me, but I could be wrong. And if I am, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Now guys, please don't hate, this is going to be my first go on a macro mate, and this is a sea cucumber trying to be filmed close up. A bit shaky, but they still look quite cool. Let's play another game of Spot the Fish. You have exactly 2 seconds. 1, 2.